In this video, I will show you how to deploy a project on Vercel without using GitHub. First, you need to make sure that your project folder includes an index.html file for static sites, or a proper framework structure such as React or Next.js, along with a package.json file for node-based projects. Once that is ready, go to vercel.com and log in or sign up for an account. You can log in using your email or sign in with providers like Google, GitLab, or Bitbucket. GitHub is not required. After signing in, you can proceed to create a new project. When starting a new project, you will see an option at the bottom to deploy manually or import a project without using Git. Select that option, then upload your project folder by either dragging it into the Vercel interface or clicking the Upload button. Vercel will automatically detect the framework you are using, such as React or Next.js. If necessary, you can choose the root directory and configure the build command and output directory. For a React project, the build command is usually npm run build and the output directory is build. For a Next.js project, the build command is npm run build and the output directory is .next. For static HTML projects, you can leave the default settings unchanged. After configuring everything, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will then build and deploy your project, and once the process is complete, you will receive a live URL in the format https your project name .vercel app. If you want to update the site, you can manually re-upload the files each time. However, if you want automatic deployments, you will need to integrate a Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. And that's it. Thank you for watching.